Everyone talks about how electric vehicles save you money, but is that really true? Today, we're breaking down the real cost of owning an EV in the USA, from purchase price, charging, maintenance, to hidden costs you probably didn't think about. Welcome back to Autopulse USA. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button for the latest updates on cars, EVs, and future mobility. Let's dive into what owning an EV in America actually costs you in 2026. 1. Purchase price and incentives. Average EV price in the US, around $47,000 in 2026, but some affordable models dip under $30,000. Federal tax credits, up to $7,500 on qualifying models. State incentives, vary. California, Colorado, and New Jersey offer extra rebates. Compare with gas cars, typically $10,000 cheaper up front, but EV savings come later. 2. Charging costs. Home charging, about 13 cents per kilowatt hour, meaning a full charge for a 250-mile EV is roughly $10 to $15. Public fast charging, more expensive, about 30 to 50 cents per kilowatt hour, sometimes equal to gas costs. Annual electricity cost for an average driver, 12,000 miles $500 to $700 versus $1,800 plus for gas. 3. Maintenance costs. No oil changes, fewer moving parts. Average annual maintenance, $900 for gas cars versus $500 for EVs. Tire wear may be higher due to EV weight. Battery replacement, rare, but can cost $10,000 to $15,000 if out of warranty. 4. Insurance and registration, 6 o'clock. Insurance is often 15 to 25% higher for EVs due to repair costs. Registration fees, some states charge extra for EV road taxes. Example, Georgia and Michigan add $200 to $300 yearly. 5. Long-term ownership, 5-year cost. Example. Gas car, Toyota Camry $40,000 total cost in 5 years. EV, Tesla Model 3 or Chevy Bolt $36,000 total cost in 5 years, with incentives plus lower fuel and maintenance. Break-even point, usually 3 to 4 years depending on electricity and gas prices. So, how much does it really cost to own an EV in the USA? The upfront price may sting, and insurance might be higher, but lower charging and maintenance costs often make EVs cheaper in the long run. If you plan to keep your car for more than 4 years, an EV can absolutely save you money. Would you consider switching to an EV in 2026? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, share it, and subscribe to Autopulse USA for more deep dives into the future of cars.